remake of Resident Evil Code Veronica is coming out in 2027, and so far, only one thing is certain. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech and gaming news. Resident Evil Code Veronica features an extremely dramatic French accent from a little old lady with absolutely nothing sinister to hide. At least the first half of that's confirmed. A trailer for the Code Veronica remake opened up the Big Summer Game Fest 2026 showcase, and it was a nice little surprise to kick things off. The remake is called simply Resident Evil Veronica, and it looks a lot different than the Dreamcast game in your memories. Capcom released Resident Evil Code Veronica in 2000 following Claire and Chris Redfield after the events of Resident Evil 2 and 3, in the aftermath of the destruction of Raccoon City. It's mainly set on an Antarctic prison island, and players control both Claire and Chris at different points in the game as they attempt to thwart Umbrella Corp. The tone of Code Veronica sets it apart from previous Resident Evil installments with a distinct gothic aesthetic and an unsettling psychological thriller vibe. Capcom certainly revisited this direction with Resident Evil Village, which brought us Lady Dimitrescu in 2021. Capcom has been on a bit of a roll recently with the highly successful releases of Pragmata, Resident Evil Requiem, and Monster Hunter Stories 3 this year alone. And with Resident Evil Code Veronica coming next year, things are only getting better. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.